How the fuck did it just do that?
Yes. And then...
What the fuck? That was weird.
That's what I suspected. Liz's blood test showed signs of envenomation.
So the puncture wounds were from a snake bite.
The quick onset of symptoms, the mental fog, blurred vision, muscular paralysis, along with vomiting, and complete lack of localized swelling and necrosis suggest a neurotoxic venom, maybe from a viperine or something in the elephant family. In fact, the shallow puncture wounds and short bite could indicate a bite from Bitis atropos or Pseudonygia textilis. English kid? The bird adder and the eastern brown snake, neither of which are indigenous.
Why is that lift? The eastern brown snake fatal? I mean, that would need to have the antivenom on hand.
You know, not necessarily. The eastern brown snake is the second most deadly snake in the world, but its bites tend to produce a relatively low volume of venom, so while fast-acting and debilitating, its mortality rate's rather low.
So the unsub's ruse is to trap his victims in their own car with a venomous snake and let it bite them until they become incapacitated. I don't know, that's leaving
Get your ass around here, nigga.
This guy could have used any number of abduction ruses. The fact that he chose a snake says a lot.
Okay, wait, is it even legal to own the second most deadly snake in the world? I mean, I'm hoping it isn't.
Most states require you have a permit to keep an exotic reptile.
This is so funny. OP. We ain't playing.
The use of a snake have to do with the
Yeah. Nigga, please.
They overlap in the unsubs.
This was
mind.
crazy.
We need to figure out how and why.
This crazy gang, hell rages. This what it is right here. Weak ass 330. Nub as fuck. Oops, where am I going? God damn, this MS.
Tomorrow on Blue Bloods, Maria's old flame joins the team.
MS is super bad right now.
So many great relationships because you're so over it. And as things start to heat up, the investigation takes a deadly turn.
Oh, which way are we going?
Blue Bloods, tomorrow, 7/6 Central. Ion Television, positively entertaining. Brought to you by Straight Talk Wireless. Everything for less.
It's time for some straight talk. You love your phone.
I have something to tell you, something really special.
But you hate the big bill.
You know, we've been together for 6 years, and I think that...
Enough already, I'm done.
Ditch the bill with the Straight Talk Wireless SIM kit and keep your phone, 4G LTE network, and number for up to 50% less. Text KYOP to 611611 to see if your phone is
Get your ass around here.
Switch to who?
Get the unlimited plan for just $45.
Get wrecked.
No contract. Straight Talk Wireless. Everything for less. Holy moly!
It's the most extreme and dangerous mini golf competition ever seen on television.
Holy moly!
And it's called Holy Moly. Premiering Thursday, 8/7 Central on ABC.
What's the secret to natural bliss? We choose perfect, simple ingredients. Farm fresh milk and cream, pure cane sugar, and Madagascar vanilla. Tasty secrets, 100%
Rippers.
100% of the time.
This is so funny.
Car shopping? Not obvious. Try Car Gurus. Car Gurus.
Oof, nope, I'll leave him alone.
Every car is rated from retail to overpriced. The best deals are sorted first. Car Gurus is the deal.
354, I think I know him too, I just can't remember.
Jinx. Go to Car Gurus today to find great deals from top-rated dealers near you.
Why do so many homeowners start home repair?
Oh my god, so
We're
laggy.
going to find the right pros for absolutely any project.
I love that they're local pros. I know I'm getting real reviews from real homeowners.
And with their cost cut, with other people have paid for similar jobs, so I know
Rippers.
I can check those and book an appointment online.
Connection is free.
And that's the best part.
Go to HomeAdvisor.com or the free app.
At Domino's, delivery is coming. Made a car for it. So pizza, stuffed cheesy bread, or any of the other mix and match items delivered for just $5.99 each, you can trust we'll do our thing to get you. Because we know what you're doing about Domino's.
It's tough to quit smoking cold turkey. So Chantix can help you quit slow turkey. Along with support, Chantix is proven to help you quit.
That was so funny.
Chantix reduces the urge, so when the day arrives, you'll be more ready to kiss cigarettes goodbye. When you try to quit smoking, with or without Chantix, you may have nicotine withdrawal symptoms. Stop Chantix and get help right away if you have changes in behavior. Depression. Seizures, or worse, murder, traumas, sleepwalking, or life-threatening allergic and skin reactions. Decrease alcohol use. Use caution driving or operating machinery. Tell your doctor if you've had mental health problems. The most common side effect is nausea. Quit smoking. Slow turkey. Talk to your doctor about Chantix.
Stouffer's mac and cheese is the classic taste you love. Made with 2 delicious cheeses for more creamy, cheesy goodness in every bite. Making Stouffer's mac and cheese a mouth-watering crowd pleaser. Stouffer's. Discover new Snuggle scent shakes. In-wash beads of your favorite fragrances go deep into fabrics for a boost of snuggly freshness that lasts up to 100 days. New Snuggle scent shakes.
Fridays got their start in 1957, right here in Ballpark. They soon became a summer tradition, passed from one generation to the next. With the taste of 100% Angus beef, Ballpark
Super lit. That was sweet.
Lumify dramatically reduces redness to help your eyes look whiter and brighter for up to hours. Try Lumify and see for yourself.
She was found early this morning in a neighborhood in southeast Austin. She has the same cuts and abrasions as the previous 2 victims.